Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this, but they just want the star and the word Texas like that. I've already done it, pretty easy. There's a kind of a in-depth version, but take a star, make it six-sided. You've got to do this, is hit P, put it in the center of the page, and then make it a five-sided star. That gives us a five-sided star in the center, and if we kind of prove that when we put an ellipse around it, that we're perfect. That's a little bit big. Now, you can't just text a path this word. I guess you could, but I'm going to make it Arial black again. That's a little bit big. Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to go to Object and break the text apart. So I can't just text a path this to this because I have no reference to where the center is. So we're going to try it. We're going to go to text a path, put on the path, and see there's no stopping point. Okay. So let's back up here. And what I would do, let's move this out of the way a little bit, is take my virtual segment delete key and delete these inner part lines. That's going to give us 5 paths, but now we need to go to Object and break the curve apart. So now we can take this, and it's going to tell me where the middle is when I get there. I'm going to go to text the path. Okay, that's a good lesson right there. Because the circle, I'm going to grab this with the shape tool, and it's going the wrong direction. So I'm going to select it, and I'm going to reverse the subpath. Now you could actually probably reverse the subpath on one of them and then rotate this guy, but it doesn't take just a second. I'm almost glad that happened. And why there's a couple of nodes, I have no idea. I'm just right-clicking my mouse to get that menu. Now let's take the T, go up to text the path, and watch this. See that red line? That means I'm in the center. This would be, text the path would be a great hotkey. See the red line up here? Text the path. The red line will pop up right in the middle. Now the A, we might have to turn it upside down like this. But we're going to try it first. Text the path. Yeah, see, we're going to have to flip it. But that's no problem. I could have flipped it prior. And let's do that. Let's flip it prior. Now text the path. I don't know why that's like that, but that's good. And then get the S. Text the path would be a great hotkey. Now you have to select it all, go up to Object and break the 11 objects apart, and then get rid of these 5 lines. And then if we fill that star in with black and take away the outline, you've got it. Anyway, I hope that helped them. That's a pretty cool logo. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.